welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is RJ Garcia Vlog. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And have a good day to everyone. Bago ang lahat, today is February 21, 2026. Today is a special day. Special day para sa akin today. And bago ang lahat, I miss you guys and salamat and nakapag-vlog tayo ulit and I have the time to do vlogging just because we have a special occasion. A special occasion para sa aking sarili. So, you know already kung ano yon. It's just because nandyan na yung sa thumbnails ko, andun na rin sa title ko kung ano yung special day natin today and it's my birthday! And that's it. And nakikita nyo bago ang bahay ko today, bago yung room ko ulit dahil naglipat ako ulit ng aking bahay. And I will do recap and do touring. Mag-tour ako dito sa aking new bahay, new accommodation. Mag-tour ako after. Makikita nyo rin kung ano yung bahay ko. So, not for now because since that is my special day and this is my special occasion, little bit, di ba? Merong pa-surprise sa akin on my birthday. Actually, my birthday is February 22. So, I'm going to celebrate today just because they have surprises for me. And this is only the time that we can do the celebration because tomorrow is another day and tomorrow is my birthday. Actually, it's February 22. Pero ngayon kami magsa-celebrate kasi nga bukas meron akong duty. Meron tayo ulit work. So, ngayon tayo magsa-celebrate. And this is the time they will give me a surprise. So, yan. So, kailangan natin magbihis kung ano yung susuot natin. So, I will gonna show you kung ano yung susuot natin for tonight. And that's it. Yun lang naman. So, yan yung susuot natin for tonight. Yan yung susuot natin. I have my tukong, I have my long sleeve. Kasi nga, we're not going to celebrate here in the house. We are going to outside. So, yan yung ating susuot. So, yan. Yan yung ating isusuot. Actually, yung bedsheet, katatapos ko lang maglaba ng aking bedsheet and pinalitan ko and that was a gift for me. Gift yan ni Ate Josie. Ate Josie, salamat sa pa-bedsheet mo sa akin. Thank you for the gift. Yan. And then, of course, I have my jewelries. Yan yung jewelry natin. Yan yung ating jewelry. Yan yung susuot natin today. So, yan. So, that's it. So, yun lang muna. And then, I'm gonna see you later. And that's it. I see you later. Magbibis lang muna ako. Bye. Ate Luz. Ate Luz making the... Ate,
Nakita mo ka ako.
Ate, yung niluto mo?
Biko.
Biko?
Yes.
Biko. Ate making biko for me.
Yes.
And then after that?
Then after that, I make it, I'll wait this to become oil. Then
Latik?
Yeah.
Latik ba yan?
Then, yeah, I'm making latik. Then I will remove the latik. Then after that, I will put the rice.
Ayan pa pala yung rice. Ayan yung rice ni ate. Oh. Yan. Di ba niluto mo siya sa tubig yan, di ba?
Yeah.
Yung mga sinabi ni Ivy, pakinggan ninyo yan.
So, yan.
Kasi magkakatutuo yan. Siyempre,
Sausage. Tapos, water. So, yan. Nakabihis na tayo. So, this is my OOTD for today's video. I'm wearing my tokong already again. And I have my long shirt. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Giatay. Wala ka dyan. Ito na lang umintindi dahil. So, for today's video, welcome back again. So, this is our OOTD. Ayan, nakaupo tayo. OOTD for today's video. Yan, long sleeve lang tayo. I think it's, what do you call this one? It's like sweatshirt. Sweatshirt ba? Yan. And then I have wearing my tukong. Yan. Wearing my silvers. So yan, yun ang OOTD natin for today's video. And mag-i-sleeper lang tayo. Kasi nga, yung area natin is we're going to the seaside. So, yan.
Dali ko po yung ano.
Okay.
कितने केक आ गई
Cake.
इतने सारे ख्याल रेल दे
Where's ate?
Kapang ka di ka pala miss ko
She also don't like cake.
I don't know.
I'm on a diet.
Yeah, which diet you eat already?
Baby,
Too much food, no?
you put back in the
No,
paper.
it's on the chicken.
Put like this. Go ahead. Put. Where's the?
This one, give it to me.
Where's the? Okay.
तेरा की क्या ख्याल नहीं
Pagkatapos ng cake, yan. Snake and ladder.
6. Ah!
Lost?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Te, dito kayo, dito. Dito, sa may banda dito na. Dito, dito. Dito, dito, dito.
Yung pink.
Walang ilaw dito.
Dito daw, dito. O, Ben, dito daw tayo, Ben.
Dito, walang ilaw. Walang ilaw.
Sa likod na sasakyan.
Dito no, walang kwan, walang ilaw anak.
Kantahan tayo, kanta.
Oo.
Likod. Dito tayo, dito.
Against it. तुम आगे पैर पर हमारे ਵਿੱਚ मैं तो आगे बैक पैर पर हमारे
Dito tayo. Kanta.
Oh, 1. कोई go down.
I lost my energy now.
Here.
Why?
This one. 5, 1, 2. मुक्की नहीं होती उसको सापी
Phone. Wait.
Mama cheating every time. 2. ਇਹਦੇ ਬੋਤਲਾਂ ਸਿੱਟੋ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ ਦੋ ਦਿਨ
Wait. 3.
not 3
Yeah.
okay
So for today's video, kailangan ko mag-voice over ulit dahil malakas po yung ating music dyan. So yung sound system is napakalakas. So ang ginagawa namin dyan is kumakain na kami, and then that's it. Thank you so much. And yan. And today is yun, nagbigay sila sa akin ng gift, which is yung phone. Yan, tinatry ko siya kung okay ba siya or what. So ang ganda siya, and then it comes with the earbuds. Kasama din na yung earbuds dyan. Tinuturuan nila kung paano mag-open. So that's it. Masaya na ako dyan. Marami na akong gift. And thank you guys kasi nga binigyan ako ng gift. Now today is cutting of the cake. Kasi parang good respect at saka parang more blessings to come pa. And then yan, so hindi ko yan maabot yung hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari dyan sa mga taga-video yan. Malakas pa rin kasi yung music dyan, kaya I'd rather to do the voice over kasi baka mamaya makapicard tayo. Kasama ko yan sa bahay, yun yung mga ka-roommate ko, yun nandun sa bahay, kami sa bahay, tsaka yan lahat sila. Yan, saya. Ang saya namin dyan kasi sa sisay niya naganap. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari dyan sa aking cameraman. Paikot-ikot yung ginagawa niya. Turning
everybody taking this video with happy birthday. So glad and so very happy. Yun lang masasabi ko, and thank you so much dahil naabot ko ulit. Narating ko ulit ang birthday ko ng malusog. Yan, walang sakit. I'm so very happy and everybody's happy dahil we celebrate my birthday and I was so very surprised about that. And yan, ang ganda pala sa seaside mag-celebrate ng birthday. Ayan, masaya din yung mga kasama ko. I have nothing to say anymore but say thank you and more blessings to come, and sana maging mas masaya pa yung birthday ko sa darating ulit next year. Nag-expect na agad. Bakit? Ay naku, bakit bumalik na naman yung video ko na yan? Parang naulit. Yan, pabaliktad, pasensya na kayo kung ganyan yung video ko, pasensya na kayo kung ano yan, tatagilid-tagilid na yung matalig niya sa pag-video, sa pag-wawash ng aking video, sa panonood ng aking video, dahil wala tayong magagawa, dahil yan po yung video natin, dahil yan po yung ginawa ng cameraman natin na mahiga talaga. Hindi ko alam, mahiga o patayo or patagilid, hindi ko maintindihan. Basta yan, yung ginagawa ko. Binubuksan ko yung regalo ko niya dahil yung regalo natin is new branded phone, new phone. Hindi naman siya signature kagaya ng mga iPhone, but I'm so very happy. I'm very lucky dahil may phone akong bago, that's it. For how many years nagkaroon ako ng bagong phone. Yan, masaya ako. Even it's not iPhone, I'm not used to use iPhone actually. I have my iPhone before, but until now I have my iPhone, but I'm not using it. I'd rather to have my Android phone. Yan. Mas masaya ako dahil. We're very happy.
Video. Mitoy! Ay, Raquel! Yatay ka, wala na nakikita. Nasaan ka? Buang.
Nabuang
Wala na.
Wala na. Dilim.
Ang dilim-dilim naman.
Hello!
Si Ate Jot.
Nagbablog na yan.
Wala na kanina, no? Copyright
Saan ko
yun.
lalagay yung upuan? Dito?
Sa likod,
O,
mamaya.
sa likod, sandali.
Ito pa,
Ah,
Hindi yan.
Ano pa isa?
Mamaya pa yan.
buksan mo yung pinto, be.
Mamaya pa yan.
ha?
Pinto.
Mamaya pa nga.
Dog,
Mamaya na yan. No, I don't like
can you open that one too?
She lose the game.
Because, going
Yala,
na.
let's go.
We will
Because
go
it's
now.
due to tomorrow.
She is working tomorrow.
So yun, yung ganap natin today kanina is I'm so very thankful. Sobrang saya. Very surprising. A birthday. Kasi nga doon tayo sa beach or doon tayo sa dagat nag-celebrate ng aking birthday, and I was so very happy and I was so very thankful sa aking birthday surprise. So lahat na nandyan na, yung regalo ko and everything. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yun lang masasabi ko. Thank you so much, Lord. I wish to myself na lang is good health, more blessings to come. Yun lang. And masaya ako dahil naabot ko na naman tong age na to and sa aking birthday. Salamat. So this is my gift. So I have here my phone. It's an honor. This is worth of 120 BD, I think. 120. And then I have my personalized cup given by Ate Josie. I have my earbuds. Yan. And then electric kettle, one of the wonderful gift I ever had. Electric kettle. Then my cup. Okay, so that's it. So that's all for my video. Ayun. Ayan, ito na yung mga kwan natin. Ito yung mga regalo ko. Tapos, ayun. Tapos yan. May electric kettle akong regalo. Dami ng, tapos inuwi na namin yung iba. Yun na yung damit ko, yung mga water. So that's all for my vlog for this video. Thank you for watching my video, guys, and salamat ulit and thank you dahil nag-join sa aking birthday for my surprise birthday. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is RJ Garcia Vlog. Thank you so much guys and have a good day and God bless us all. Bye. Good night.